The night is calling under the stadium lights. One dream, one destiny. The stars were shining over the field, two giants chasing what they believed. France stood tall with fearless hearts. Spain ignited a brand new spark. Every heartbeat, every sound, millions watching all around. The whistle echoed through the air. A fearless battle waiting there. Raise your voices, feel the fire. Every step is taking us higher. No looking back, no fear tonight. Only dreams beneath the lights. Oh, red flames burning in the sky. Blue hearts trying one last time. Spain is rising higher and higher. Two goals lighting up the fire. France keeps fighting till the end. Champions never truly bend. Tonight belongs to red and gold. A story every fan will hold. Spain, rise again. To the final, feel the flame. The crowd was louder than before. Every tackle shook the floor. Golden passes, perfect play. Spain refused to fade away. 0 for France, 2 for Spain. History dancing in the rain. Every heartbeat tells the tale. Only courage will prevail. We can hear the people sing. Hands together, everything. Never stop, never fall. Dreams are bigger than a song. Fly away across the sky. Red and gold will never die. Semi-final victory. Spain creates its legacy. France may fall, but hope remains. Heroes rise through joy and pain. Tonight we celebrate the flame. Forever we'll remember Spain. Every ending starts again. Every loss will heal the pain. France will rise another day. Legends never fade away. Spain keeps marching, proud and free, toward the final destiny. Can you hear the crowd tonight? Can you feel the shining light? Raise your hands, touch the sky together. Sky is glowing red tonight. Spain is reaching for the light. 2 to 0, standing strong. Every heartbeat stings along. Welcome, dreams are shining bright, leading through the endless night. From every nation, every fan, one more step, the final stands. Spain keeps dreaming. France stands proud. Football brings us one more cloud. Thank you, heroes, thank you.